Welcome to a new video of Cambridge IELTS. Our today's video is about the IELTS listening, and the question type is multiple choice, in which there is only one question and we have to find 3 correct answers out of 7 options. The students find very difficult to answer such type of question because in this question they have to find 3 correct answers. The first tip for the students is that they have to read the question very carefully and then they can scan the options very quickly. The second tip for the students for such type of questions is that the speaker in the audio will focus or give details about those options which are correct. The third tip is that the students have to choose the 3 correct answers out of 7 options. It means the rest of 4 options are traps. So students have to be very careful while they are listening the audio, because the speaker will say something about those traps which are actually not our correct answers. So let's go to the test and we try to solve this question, in which we have to find 3 correct options out of 7. Questions 18 to 20, choose 3 letters A to G, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options, and we have to choose only 3 options out of 7. Question is, which 3 attractions can you visit are present by train from Trembridge? It means that if you travel from Trembridge by train, which 3 attractions or places for enjoyment you can visit?
Thanks. And are there lots of places to go to around here?
Oh, yes.
The man is asking, are there a lot of places to go to around here?
You can enjoy many days out.
You can enjoy many days out.
There's the Merthyr Mining Museum.
There is Merthyr Mining Museum. And here we have a option D, a mining museum. Let's listen to more about it.
Which is only half an hour from Trembridge by train.
Which is only half an hour from Trembridge by train.
Your children will find it just as fascinating as any theme park.
The woman is saying that your children will find something fascinating like theme park. So the woman is telling about the theme park, but he is indicating that mining museum is just like the theme park. So option B, the theme park is a trap.
They can ride in the original miners' lifts.
They can ride in the original miners' lifts.
And on the coal trains.
And on the coal trains.
There are special excursion tickets which include entrance fees.
There are special excursion tickets which include entrance fee. So after listening to this audio, we came to the conclusion that our first attraction is option D, a mining museum, because it is a place where the children will find it very fascinating, and there are lifts on which the children can ride. So listen again.
Oh, yes. You can enjoy many days out. There's the Merthyr Mining Museum, which is only half an hour from Trembridge by train. Your children will find it just as fascinating as any theme park. and they can ride in the original miners' lifts and on the coal trains. There are special excursion tickets which include entrance fees. Mainline trains also offer
Let's try to find the second attraction.
excursion tickets which include entrance fees. Mainline trains also offer direct services to Bristol, where you
Mainline trains also offer direct services to Bristol,
can visit the docks or
where you can visit the docks
spend a great day out with the children in the
or spend a great day out with children
zoo,
in the
which is
zoo.
set in the park.
So we came to the conclusion that our second attraction is option G, and option G is a zoo.
Parkland that used to surround the old castle.
And which is set in the parkland that used to surround the old castle. And option F is a castle, which is a trap. So we have to be careful about that. Let's listen again.
It's fascinating as any theme park, and they can ride in the original miners' lifts and on the coal trains. There are special excursion tickets which include entrance fees. Mainline trains also offer direct services to Bristol, where you can visit the docks or spend a great day out with the children in the zoo, which is set in the parkland that used to surround the old castle.
Let's try to find the third attraction.
Special family away day fares are available for this service now during the school holidays. Alternatively, you can be in Birmingham in
Alternatively, you could be in Birmingham
only an hour and a half,
in only an hour and a half,
where there's lots to see and do, including the new and internationally acclaimed climbing wall built on the site of the old aquarium.
So the woman is saying where it is a lots of to see and do a new and internationally claiming wall built on the side of old aquarium. So the climbing wall is our third attraction, and the word aquarium is a trap. So we can cross the word aquarium, and climbing wall is our third and last attraction. Let's listen again.
Special family away day fares are available for this service now during the school holidays. Alternatively, you can be in Birmingham in only an hour and a half, where there's lots to see and do, including the new and internationally acclaimed climbing wall built on the site of the old aquarium. We will
The climbing wall is built along the side of old aquarium. So climbing wall is our right choice, and aquarium is a trap.
also be running a special service to Newport,
And possibly we will run a special service to Newport
when the new Science Museum opens next year.
when the new science opens next year. So our science museum will open next year. It is not available in these days. So science museum is also a trap. And we have found all of the three attractions: G, a zoo; D, a mining museum; C, a climbing wall.